tasty bean stir-fry recipe. It is usually served along with rice. We just need only 20 minutes to make this tasty stir-fry recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon chilli flakes. Mix it well. Saute it for 4 minutes on medium flame. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. After 4 minutes, keep it low flame. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix it for a minute. Now add 250 grams of beans cut into small pieces like this. Also add 2 center slit green chilies, some curry leaves, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Then add 2 tablespoons water and close the lid. Cook for 6 minutes on low flame. After 6 minutes, we can open the lid. Add 1 teaspoon pepper powder and mix it well. Cook for 4 minutes on medium flame. Stir every 30 seconds in between. After 4 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Our tasty beans stir-fry recipe is ready. Usually served along with rice for best taste. Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.